Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable voice typing in Google Docs using xFanatical SafeDoc. Voice typing can reduce students' engagement in writing by encouraging reliance on speech recognition instead of developing typing and writing skills. That's where SafeDoc comes for the rescue. xFanatical SafeDoc helps schools disable voice typing across Google Docs editors, encouraging students to engage more actively in the writing process while promoting better typing skills, accuracy, and a more focused learning environment. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Block Doc voice typing policy and set its value to true to easily remove the voice typing option in Google Docs. Apply for a 14-day free trial and experience the full capabilities of SafeDoc. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.